Welcome to PurelyHR. In this video, we will show you the process of creating a user when you're using the Time-Off module. There are 3 steps to take depending upon how your Time-Off account is set up. First, create the user and staff. Second, applying the appropriate time-off policy. And third, applying a length of service accrual. Note that depending upon your company's policies and how your account is set up, you may not need to complete all 3 of these steps. Let's begin in the Staff module by clicking on Create User at the right side of the staff directory. Fill out all the mandatory information and click Save. Next, fill out any profile information such as their office, department, and user type. Don't forget to select who they are managed by, and if they are a manager, who they're managing. Once you've completed their profile, go over to the quick links at the right side of the screen and click on Apply Time-Off Policy. To apply a time-off policy to your new user, click on the Apply button to the right of the appropriate policy, select the name of the new user, and click Apply at the bottom. The last step is to apply the length of service accrual. At the left side of your screen, in the navigation menu, click on Length of Services. On the length of service you wish to apply, click on the Assign button. Select the user's name from the list and click Apply. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer success team at support@PurelyHR.com.